Have you ever received a credit report that felt like it was from another planet? Maybe it was rife with errors, or perhaps it just didn't seem to reflect your true financial picture. Well, you're not alone. Many people find themselves facing discrepancies in their credit reports, and one of the most common culprits is TransUnion. Today, we're going to dive into the world of credit disputes, specifically focusing on how to dispute information on your TransUnion credit report. Imagine this: you're applying for a loan or a credit card, and you're confident about your financial standing. But then, you get rejected. When you investigate, you discover that your credit report is riddled with inaccuracies. It's a frustrating and potentially damaging situation. But don't worry, you have the power to correct these errors. Dispute process. Let's break down the dispute process step by step. Gather your evidence. The first step is to gather all the necessary documentation to support your claim. This might include canceled checks, receipts, or letters from creditors. The more evidence you can provide, the stronger your case will be. Contact TransUnion. Once you've gathered your evidence, it's time to contact TransUnion. You can do this by phone, mail, or online. Make sure to clearly state the disputed information and provide supporting documentation. TransUnion's investigation. After you've submitted your dispute, TransUnion will investigate the matter. This process can take up to 30 days. TransUnion's decision. Once the investigation is complete, TransUnion will notify you of their decision. If they find the disputed information to be inaccurate, they will correct it. However, if they disagree with your claim, you may need to take further action. Additional tips. Be specific. When disputing information, be as specific as possible. Provide the exact account number, date, and amount of the disputed item. Follow up. If you don't hear back from TransUnion within 30 days, follow up on your dispute. Consider a credit dispute service. If you're overwhelmed by the process, you may want to consider hiring a credit dispute service. These professionals can help you navigate the complexities of the dispute process. Monitor your credit report. Even after your dispute has been resolved, it's important to continue monitoring your credit report for any new errors. So, there you have it. Disputing information on your TransUnion credit report can be a daunting task, but it's a necessary step if you want to protect your financial reputation. By following these steps and gathering the necessary evidence, you can increase your chances of a successful dispute. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.